This is a these weather predictions, and we're talking about short hurricane season predictions, regions, and no matter what, based off of it's an educated guess too. Oh great, wait a second. Alright. So first we're going to look at the main development region off the Africa coast. This is the main area where everything happens. Mostly a lot. Sometimes you can get Caribbean storms, but anyways, this is predictions about August and September. So in August we're gonna have the MJO, and because July was an active month, August could be something cool. Oh, someone in extreme weather just sent on another August 27th. Yeah, we're not gonna have another Laura forming the wild card, go up the hotspot and kill people. Alright, we're not talking about that. Alright, El Reno. Oh, God. Alright, apparently the El Reno is weakening according to someone. Alright. Oh great, Adrian, stop posting stuff in general. Oh wait, I'm mini-modding that. Out to sea. Alright, next region, out to sea. Oh yeah, I forgot to talk about that MJO. I am completely being stupid right now. That MJO could bring us some good August storms. Plus, September. September is usually a big area for the MDR and the Caribbean and the Gulf too, but the Gulf, and it's also August and September are also great for coastal storms, and usually in the beginning of the year you have these out to sea storms. We're probably only just a few. Alright, next, out to sea. He's different. Next, out. Oh, the opacity on this first. I was using highlighter. Out to sea storms. We're only gonna see like a few. And those that do form are probably gonna form around here. And go in these directions. If they go out to sea. Wild cards. The next we're talking about the wild card region. It's not a chance. It's just storms that drift up the east coast of that Gulf Stream and the high Bermuda High. And these are gonna come from the main development region most likely. I can't draw for life. They're gonna go up. They're either gonna go up here. Go up like this. Or they're gonna take the middle path. That's expected. Possible hotspot. I really don't think the Caribbean is gonna get too powerful by November, but we know that the Caribbean is known for rapid intensification storms, so that's something to watch closely for that area. The other hotspot, Gulf of Mexico. We've seen lots of infamous storms form in this area. I think Michael did, but then it started gaining strength around this area. We've had Harvey, which formed in the Caribbean. Guess what it did? Boom! As soon as it entered the Gulf, it did a gamer. I think Laura kind of entered this area for a bit and just gamered too. Wilma Caribbean into the Gulf, but that is just a quick that was just a quick uneducated prediction. A more educated prediction might come out soon, but who knows? This is Amvi's weather predictions, and I'm out of air, so breathe harder and cope.
Rider, bus, true need, I'll bleed. Kicking off a parking bitch, I'm feeling